All right, we are recording. Let me share my screen. All right, so this set of videos has to deal with hemodynamics and circulatory shock by Kyle Ortega. This is video number one, just the introduction. All right, so what is shock? It's a life-threatening condition of circulatory failure, hypoxia due to reduced oxygen delivery and increased oxygen consumption, or inadequate oxygen utilization. It's got to be treated immediately to prevent multi-organ failure and death. All right, so there's several types of shocks, but the four main ones that we're going to talk about are right here. We'll start with hypovolemic shock, which results from internal, external volume or blood loss, and usually resolves with timely and adequate intravenous intravenous volume replacement. So significant loss of blood or other fluids with that shock. Next, cardiogenic shock is related to myocardial pump failure, or heart pump failure due to arrhythmias, increased filling pressure, or decreased myocardial contractility. So pretty much the heart's not working. Next, which is the most common, distributive shock. It's related to significant vasodilation and inflammation. Um, it could be a septic shock, a neurogenic shock, or anaphylactic shock. So all those make up distributive shocks. That's probably why that's the most common. And then we have obstructive shock. Arises from blockage within circulation, sorry. It could be internal or external. So like, tension pneumos, cardiac tamponade, pulmonary embolisms, things like that. So the heart's actually working fine, unlike cardiogenic. It's just there's obstruction on the way to it, which impedes blood flow. So these are the four different types of shocks, and in my next videos, we will go further into each one. Thank you.